I've been making some decent money trading futures on the KuCoin exchange, so I decided to make a video and teach you guys how to trade futures. By the way, here is my most recent trade, which has made me $20,000 in profit so far. As you can see, the profit is in Bitcoin, 0.63 Bitcoin, which at the current price is equivalent to $20,000. Why is my profit in Bitcoin? Well, why Bitcoin is in an uptrend, I always keep my account in Bitcoin instead of US dollars, and I trade to earn more Bitcoin instead of US dollars. Think about it that way. This trade has earned me 0.63 Bitcoin, which today is worth $20,000. But 2 years from now it might be worth $200,000. 10 years from now it might be worth $2 million. That's why I trade to earn Bitcoin, not dollars. Now let's get to business. Let me introduce the super simple step-by-step process of proper futures trading. Step number 1, transfer funds to your futures account. To do that, you have to navigate to your assets at the top right corner of your screen and then click on overview. Then find your futures account right here and click on transfer. Adjust the direction. First choose from where you would like to get capital. In this case we're gonna get capital from the funding account or the main account as they used to call it, and we are transferring to our futures account. Then you have to choose the coin which you like to transfer. In this case we're gonna transfer a little bit of USDT. As you can see we have like $43, so let's transfer everything. Adjust the amount, hit confirm, and success. That's it. Step number 2, open a trade. After you complete step number 1, head over to derivatives and click on USD margined contracts. Before I show you how to open trades, let's talk about leverage. Trading futures on KuCoin will allow you to trade with up to 125 times your money. That's the main reason most people are attracted to futures. They think they will make money faster that way. The reality is quite the opposite. Most new traders actually lose their money with futures because of the high leverage. That's why I suggest in the very beginning that you adjust your leverage to 1 and not even think of higher numbers before you gain experience. Now let me show you how to enter a short trade. There are 3 ways to do that. You can do it with a limit order if you want to enter at a higher than the current price, with a market order if you want to enter at the current price, or with a stop limit or stop market order if you want to enter at a lower than the current price. Let me give you some examples. Let's say that I've done my technical analysis and I figured out that Bitcoin is in a bear market, so it's a great opportunity to short it. However, I also figured out that Bitcoin would go up to $32,000 first, and then from there it would dump to $20,000. In that case, the best order to use is a limit order. Why? Because I want to enter at a higher than the current price. The way I would do that is to first make sure that I have a limit order selected. Then I would enter my entry price, which is $32,000. Then I would enter the amount of Bitcoin that I want to short. So let's short 0.001 BTC, which is like $32. The last thing I have to do is enable the take profit or stop loss of the short in order to add my stop loss price. Add the price here. Let's say that our stop loss is at 32,000. Then click sell short, confirm your order, and you are ready. It's important to understand that this is just an open order and I am not in a short trade right now. I will be in a short position only if Bitcoin goes up to $32,000. If it doesn't and it dumps straight to $20,000, I would miss the opportunity. That's why now let me give you an example with a market order. Let's say that I believe Bitcoin will go down straight to $20,000 and I want to enter a short trade at the current price. In that case, I would use a market order. The first thing I have to do is to select market from the menu. Then I just have to add the amount of Bitcoin I want to short, add my stop loss price here, click on sell short, confirm your order, and you're gonna be in a short trade. The last example that I will give you now is for stop limit and stop market orders. You will use this type of orders when you want to enter a short trade at a lower than the current price. For example, let's say that I've done my technical analysis and I figured out that there is a symmetrical triangle pattern forming on Bitcoin like this one right here. There is a 50% chance that this pattern will break to the upside and 50% chance that it will break to the downside. Since I can't be sure that it will break to the downside, it doesn't make sense to enter a short out here, but I am sure that if it does break to the downside, then Bitcoin would go a lot lower. So the best order to use in such case is a stop limit or market order. Stop market is the better option. So let me show you how to place it. First, make sure that you select it from the menu, market stop, then enter the price at which you would like to enter your short, let's say $30,000. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to short, then click on sell short, confirm, and your order will be placed. It's important to know that this, just like the limit order, is an open order. However, you will not be able to find it here in open orders, but you will be able to find it in the stop orders. Just remember that this is still an open order, meaning that I am not in a short trade right now. I will be in a short trade only if Bitcoin goes down to $30,000, which is my entry price. Now let me show you how to enter a long trade. There are three ways to do that. You can do it with a limit order if you want to enter at a lower than the current price, with a market order if you want to enter at the current price, or with a stop limit stop market order if you want to enter at a higher than the current price. To place a limit order, select limit from the menu, then enter the price at which you would like to buy, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to buy, then enable your take profit and stop loss of long, enter your stop loss here, which is gonna be 28,000 in our case. Click buy long, confirm your order. Now we have an open order which will only be executed if the price actually goes down to our entry price, $29,000. To enter a long trade with a market order, click on the button right here, enter the amount of Bitcoin which you would like to buy, enable take profit stop loss, enter your stop loss price here, click on buy long, confirm your order, and you're gonna be in a long trade. To enter a long trade with a stop market order, click right here, select market stop, add your entry price, which let's say it's gonna be $32,000 in this case, add the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy, click on buy long, confirm your order, and you're gonna have an open order which is going to be executed only if Bitcoin actually reaches your entry price, which in this case is $32,000. Just keep in mind that for stop market orders there is no way to add your stop loss in advance. You have to do that after your order actually gets filled. Step number 3, close the trade. Closing a trade is very easy. Just scroll down below the chart where it says positions. Here you will be able to see all of your active trades. In order to close your trades, just navigate to this small window where it says close position, and you will see a couple of options. If you want to close your trade instantly at the current price, just click market. If you want to close the trade at a different price than the current price, click limit